Welcome back to the Fitz Family Kitchen. You know what I was gonna say. Whatever. Anyways, today doing the flaming hot Cheetos chicken wings.
Yep.
And we got our chicken. We already washed it and everything like that. So what?
I was gonna say that. Yes, guys, we already washed it. We used lemon juice to wash our chicken in cold water. Yeah.
No one cares. Anyways, we're gonna start out with
What?
yep.
This? Should we just go all in, or should we just go a little bit?
Just all across. A little too crazy. Don't do too crazy. Alright, next we're gonna run. Not really a matter of order to me, I don't think it does.
You sure?
Nah. So next we're gonna go with the, what is it?
Garlic powder. I think I sniffed some of it in.
Nice and good there. And next we're gonna do lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper? Oh, I didn't open that. That's how you know we don't use seasoning, guys. Sorry.
Oh.
Take a whiff?
Nope, I'm good.
No.
I'm good.
Oh. Alright, guys, I normally don't like chicken like that, so. But I'm starting to actually kind of like it a little bit, so.
What should you do? You could even them out. Next we got the, we'll do black pepper.
Black pepper, of course. Oh, that's not gonna be good enough.
Yeah, y'all let her know she's doing this completely wrong.
Does it matter? There's never such thing as too much seasoning, okay? Never too much.
Then we go with the chili powder. A lot of people don't use chili powder, I don't think.
I like it.
Like all the videos I looked up,
Ooh.
not a lot of people use it, but that's what we have. So.
Yeah. Oh. This is a lot, but I really don't care, you know?
And then use regular salt. You put seasoned salt or regular salt?
Put a little bit. I like a lot of salt.
Alright, cool. Now you're gonna flip it over.
You?
No, flip it over. You can do the other side?
Yeah, I don't touch.
Yes, there you go.
Thank you. I don't touch raw meat.
My meat's raw.
Stop.
Yes,
I'm gonna
sir.
season that chicken. Mm-hmm.
I'm doing this completely wrong.
You guys, we're not really cooks.
Nah.
Nah.
Not cooks.
Jarek literally watched.
Garlic powder. I literally just watched the video of how to do this.
Who'd you watch?
Damien and Bianca.
Yep. So.
Yes, sir. This is probably terrible. People are watching this like, bro, get them out the kitchen.
Yeah. I mean, we're not Rachel Ray, you know? What are you... Jarek.
Well, this ain't coming out.
Jarek, that's enough.
So,
What are you doing?
make sure chicken good, man. This is nice. Alright, there we go. Super seasoned chicken that doesn't look that good.
Wow.
We're good. We're good. Next. What's next step?
New hoodie on.
Oh yeah, my new jerk.
NASA.
Nice. Alright. I'll bring that thing over here. Next, you gotta put it in the flour, right? Actually, yeah, we'll do that. No, we won't. Alright, we gotta get.
Jarek, what are you doing?
We bought this today. It's very small.
Very small.
But it's okay, it'll work. So here you go.
And just pour it in there?
Yeah.
All of it?
Pour enough.
Enough?
Like I said, we never use this, so I don't know.
Are you sure it's supposed to do?
Yeah.
Pour it. Just pour this in here.
Yeah. It might be a complete fail, but we'll see.
Alright. You didn't even turn it on. It's not even hot.
You turn on after you do it.
Oh Lord, Jarek. I don't know about this. This is really scary. If this catches on fire, it's on you.
Stir that thing up. Keep going. Do like half. I think it's good. We just literally used the whole bottle of this little. Anyway, it's fine though. It'll work.
Might as well put the rest of it.
Yeah, you might as well press it. All right, now turn that thing up a little bit. Turn that thing up.
I'm scared.
I don't know what temperature, so you know, I don't know. I don't know what temperature to put this thing on, so we're gonna leave it at that. It'll get hot. Everything in there. It's a good little bit.
This is not coming out.
I told you. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Do everything that we just did, and then mix it all with your hands.
With my hands.
Yep.
I got a boo boo.
I'll do it now.
Yeah, I got a boo boo. Sorry.
You got a boo boo like number 2?
No, I got a. From where I burnt myself today with my flat iron. You don't ever touch. Other than culinary, you don't ever, you know. Wait, there's no pepper in this one. No wonder. We bought a whole new one the other day.
I was trying to use the last bit of it.
See? There we go. Perfect.
There we go. Looking good. We getting there. Maybe.
Oh, what?
That one comes out a lot too, so be careful. Alright, cool. Here, I'll do one.
Oh, it's strong.
It's all good. It's all good. Let's go here. Lighten that over there. Gonna mix that thing up.
I guess I'll do the hot Cheetos, I guess.
Yeah, you
Smash those up. Where's the hot sauce?
We'll get it. We'll get it. Alright. It's better light over there. Alright. So now, take your chicken. Put that thing in there. Make sure it's all, you know,
Yeah.
caked up.
Caked up?
Caked up, you know? Your chicken gotta be caked up. Your meat gotta be caked up.
Dirt, not caked up.
And it's supposed to go straight back into that thing.
What's
But
what you gonna do? Okay.
Yes, sir. Be resolved. Alright, we'll put that right there. That's one. I don't even think all these are better fit in there, honestly. We're gonna figure it out though.
Yeah, guys, this little thing, I'm telling you, this little thing is, it probably look big on camera, but this thing is tiny. It's tiny.
It's like her fries.
Yeah,
honestly.
it's really tiny. But we're gonna make it work.
It's like the only thing they had too in the store.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now.
Ain't no.
Just gotta heat up a little bit. Just gotta heat up a little bit.
Okay.
Alright, crazy.
Jared, that's not gonna fit. Stop.
No, it's good. It's good.
Y'all,
We're gonna figure it out.
look what he did. No, let me just show you this, y'all. He can only fit like 3. He put like 5 in there. What are you doing? Jared, what are you doing?
Getting that thing in there.
No. Y'all, I might not eat this. This don't look.
No, we're good. We're
Look
good.
what he's doing. What are you doing?
Make sure it's all submerged in there. You think I can put another one right here?
No, please don't.
Another one fit.
No, let's
sure.
not.
Alright, we'll leave one out.
Yeah, let's leave one out right now. Lord.
Alright, there we go. Cool. We're good. We're good. We're good. Look. The Texas Pete Buffalo Wing Sauce.
Ooh, that's good.
Yep. My hands is cool.
Ashley. Gross.
It's just flour.
Look, you match your shirt.
Yeah, sure. Alright, put the thing in here.
Ooh.
Wait, this is what we're gonna use to like make sure the Cheeto actually sticks to the, you know, the wings.
Yeah.
Alright, your turn. Back in action. We got a new little contraption. And the chicken, how long I guess? We'll figure it out. We're gonna keep updating you. All right, everybody, we're back, and the chicken is pretty much done.
Yep.
Looks pretty good. Huh? There we go.
Yep.
Chilling. Think it's overcooked or not? It's got a little, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Figure it out.
Yeah, figure it out.
It's a crispy wing right there.
I know.
Probably looking at a little too long. I'm sorry, Gilbert.
Oh. Okay.
Alright, take it in here. I got you. Just do that. We're gonna twist it around. Wow. Wow. Look at this wing. It looks so cool on camera.
Really?
Yeah. Alright, keep going.
Alright. Alright.
Look at those.
Ugh.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Alright, we're gonna put the camera up and do a little taste test. Alright, y'all, for the taste test. Ready?
No.
Come on.
Wait, hold on. You gotta cheers it like this.
Yeah, look at this wing, y'all.
Look at my way.
There we go.
Ooh.
Look at that. Alright.
You ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I don't know. I can't decide really. Let me try it again. Let me try it again. I don't know. What do you think? It's not bad.
It's not bad. Not bad at all.
Guys, if you guys want to make this, I definitely suggest that you do, because it's not bad. It's different. And if you like hot Cheetos like how I do, then you'll like it. But it's not bad. It's all right.
Out of 10, what do you give it?
I give it an 8.
You give it an 8 too. So the hot Cheeto wings get a solid 8. It's pretty good, man.
You need to put some fire emojis over here.
Yeah.
Fire.
Alright, that's about it, man. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We're close to 100 subscribers as we're recording this. So.
Oh, did we tell them about the waffle challenge? Who won?
That video's gonna be posted first. So.
Okay. Oh.
So, if y'all enjoy the kitchen videos, you know, let us know. It's fun for us, so.
I know. And what else should we make? Should we make, I don't know, spicy noodle challenges, or what kind of food you guys want us to make? Because we'll make anything.
That's it, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.
Peace.